I have ordered cheap replacement nylon bracelets on AliExpress for my Casio DW 5600. I paid $4.11 by the piece for them, including shipping. And the delivery took a month. So here's a red nylon bracelet. Spring bars and a spring bar remover tool are included. The width of the watch band is 22 millimeters. The buckle and the band keepers are made of stainless steel, and this is a pin buckle type of clasp. These are the connectors. They are made of plastic. I bought 3 nylon bracelets. It's the red one. This one is green, red and black. And I have already installed this one. This is what it looks like. This strap resembles the national flag of the Netherlands, don't you think? Let's put it on my wrist. I can picture myself walking around on the streets of Amsterdam wearing this nylon bracelet.